Okay, my furnace is now shut off. At least the burner has. The fan is still going. Well, you might be able to hear that. At any rate, um, I'm now going to start switching in some circuits. The first two on the two legs of the furnace, and my upstairs. So let me just, there's, all right, the third floor of the furnace are now on the transfer, are now running off the Lycan, and I don't see any change in the, let's go back and come back again, see if there's any, it's still the same wattage. Sometimes it takes a while for this to update. Try it again. Oh, same wattage. I wonder. Well, let me just continue to put circuits on and see what happens. So all of these are my priority circuits. If I don't hear anyone in the house say, what happened to the lights? Then something must be. This is now down here. Okay. So the basement stayed on. I just saw a little blink there, but it stayed on. So like it is powering things. I'm just not getting the updated display. So, oh, yeah, there we go. Now, see, we're up to 800 watts. Now being supplied by the Lycan. There's no charging going on because the batteries are above 45 volts. So within an hour or so, I will see whether the charging is working, which it should be. It has been in the past. But at least now this confirms that the auto transformer is supplying its 240 volt split phase to the transfer switch. One leg, the other leg. And I should be able to now turn on some kitchen circuits, which I'm not going to do right at the moment. But seems like we're getting there.